Of course, I knew that was going to happen. There goes my light. Okay, let me adjust my light real quick. But I just wanted to get on and show you guys some of our curly wigs that we have in store. We've gotten a couple questions this week if we had some curly wigs available. We do. We have all of these curly wigs here. We have quite a few. All of these wigs right here specifically are 12 to 14 inches because this client was looking for a 12 to 14 inch curly wig. I will turn them around in just a moment for you guys to see the prices. And also, don't forget, guys, we're having a price adjustment on May 1st, and we will also be having our vendor list available on May 1st. So if you're looking to start your own business, we will have a hair care, hair extension, beauty product vendor list available on our website. So these are some of our 12 to 14 inch curly wigs. Look how soft our hair is. Our hair does not tangle. It does not shed. When you fluff out the curly hair like so, it just gets more and more beautiful, as you can see. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, we are having a slight price adjustment on May 1st. I have not had a price adjustment in the last 3 years, so we're just having a slight price adjustment. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Magic Hair Company definitely has the best glueless lace wigs, and it's very easy to detangle any of our wigs. So all you need to do is hydrate it and brush it. And our wigs at Magic Hair Company do not tangle. You maybe will lose a few strands of hair here or there, but you will never get globs of hair. Your hair will never dry out and turn to a completely different texture. When that happens, that means you bought cheap hair. Even this texture right here that's pre-colored, once we just simply hydrate it, it will go right back to like this under curl right here that has not been fluffed out and manipulated. So if you're looking for a quality curly wig, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We do currently prefer that you have an appointment. We are open Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. We have the best glueless lace wigs, not just in the West, but in the U.S. That was cute. Not just in the West, but in the U.S. We got the best wigs. So yeah, we're here at Magic Hair Company. It's a little bit late, but a client just sent me an email requesting some photos of what curly wigs that are 12 to 14 inches that we currently have in store. So I sent her a video of these beautiful options right here. And most of these we do have more than one of. I know this one we do. We have quite a few of these. Check out the hairline. You know we have a fabulous hairline, darling. Fabulous, fabulous hairline. If you're looking for a natural hairline, the knots are pre-bleached or less dense, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. She's currently $475. This one right here is also $475. Trying to show you guys this hairline here. Curly hair is not hard to maintain. It's hard to maintain, it's hard to maintain when it's cheap curly hair. There's a big difference between cheap curly hair, whether it's plastic or mixed with plastic or mixed and processed with all types of other stuff, and what we offer here at Magic Hair Company. We have quality curly hair, so you're never going to have to worry about your hair changing texture on you, especially if you're on vacation and you get your hair wet. I've been on vacation with a friend who got her hair wet, and that was done. She couldn't do anything else for the rest of her birthday trip. And that's because she had cheap hair. I won't name the company it came from, but when you have cheap hair, you cannot get your hair wet on vacation and continue on like so. You then have to focus on dealing with your cheap hair. So get you some quality hair from Magic Hair Company. You can go in the pool, you can go in the ocean and pop up, rinse your hair out, and then you'll be ready for dinner. You don't have to spend hours on your hair on vacation. It's very easy to maintain, to detangle it. Simply use our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. We're currently out of that, so we're using, just hydrate the hair, put some conditioner in it, brush it out. If you want to use this is available at the store. We like using this to define our curl patterns. I also like using this brand over here. They have a couple of different styling mousses to use, which I love using on the curly hair. And you just spray a little bit of that in. I'll do that on this one here. You just spray a little. And this is what I'm using here. And brush it out, and you'll see this curl pattern pop. Okay, I'm doing this one-handed. You're seeing I don't need like a whole bunch of finagling because the hair is soft. The hair is not tangled. So I can easily brush this with one hand while still holding my camera in the other hand because it's quality hair. So I just wet that little piece there. I'm brushing it through, and then I'll scrunch it up so you guys can see how this curl pattern right here is getting more defined. Again, this is the product I'm using here. I want to brush this through here so you guys can really see this curl pattern. If I had two hands, I would wet a little bit more of the hair. But I think you guys get the point, especially because I'm brushing through this hair with, I'm only using one hand. So clearly it's not like, when you brush some curly hair, you gotta tie the wig down and do all this just to be able to get your fingers through it. But not with our hair here. So you see this is what it looks like after I wet it just a little bit. Now I'm gonna scrunch it up to define that curl pattern. And there you go. So if you do get your hair tangled and want to detangle it, or if you're just styling it for the day, perfect products to use. So this is this side that I just hydrated. Let me brush it through one more time so you can really see it. There we go. And there we go. So it's very easy to maintain and style your curly hair from Magic Hair Company. It really matters if your hair is quality hair or cheap hair when you are trying to maintain it. Cheap hair takes a lot of work. Get you some quality hair. It will not only last you, but it will, you don't have to spend 20 minutes trying to define your curls. Just add a little bit of whatever your preferred styling product is, and you can define these pretty curls. So see these pretty curls here and these curls here, which we did not hydrate. And these are the two different looks that you can get from the curly hair. You can either keep it nice and I like to call it seasick right here. You see the waves dipping, making you seasick. Or you can keep it nice and fluffed out here. The choice is yours. Okay guys, so these are some of our curly options from Magic Hair Company. Check us out on our website, magichaircompany.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are currently open here in our Culver City store every day except for Sunday. And we are open from 10:30 to 6 p.m. Appointment preferred. So make an appointment with us by visiting our website and come shop with us here in our Culver City store. So this is just some of our beautiful 12 to 14 inch curly units in store. And that's all for today, folks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see. Thank